Simple present tense of to be in Marathi. In English, the verb to be has special significance. Its different forms are used along with other verbs to indicate tense. Same is the case in Marathi. To be in English is asane in Marathi. In English, am, are, is are different forms of to be for different pronouns. Similarly, in Marathi, there are different forms of asane. Below chart shows the details. For pronoun I, in both the genders, pronoun in Marathi is me and form of asane is ahe. We, which is amhi, and we, listener including, that is apan, form of asane is ahot. For you, singular, in both the genders, pronoun is tu, form of asane is ahes. For you, plural, pronoun is tumhi, form is ahat. For he, she, it, that is third person singular, in all the genders, form of asane is ahe. For third person plural, in all the gender, form of asane is ahet. Let's see few examples. I am, me ahe. You are, तुम्ही आहात. They are, ते आहेत. We are, आम्ही आहोत or आपण आहोत. Thank you.